In this Fresh Farm video, we're looking at asparagus. Asparagus is one of the first vegetables to sprout, and so it's usually available at local markets in the spring and early summer. The tips of asparagus look like clusters of little brown leaves. The stalk is mostly green with brown markings, and the bottom is white. Asparagus is delicious when it's eaten right away, but if you need to store it, first, cut off the bottoms, then place about an inch of water in a tall jar. Place the asparagus in the jar, cut side down, and store it in the fridge. This will keep the asparagus for 3 to 4 days. When you are ready to use your asparagus, first, give it a quick rinse. One easy way to prepare asparagus is a quick sauté in a frying pan with a little olive oil, maybe some salt and pepper, or any other herbs or spices you'd like to add to your veggies. You can also do something similar with asparagus on a sheet pan and roast it in an oven. It's also easy to grill asparagus, especially the larger ones that don't fall through. Asparagus makes a great addition to a variety of meals, on salads, as a side dish, even with your morning eggs. So feel free to explore the Fresh Farm recipe page and have fun cooking.